The cocktail we're making today is called a Pencil Thin Mustache. First things first, half an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of Fernet-Branca, and 1.5 ounces of Cachaca. We're just gonna muddle 6 to 8 mint leaves, lightly pressing to just release the oil. Add a good amount of ice to our tin. Give it a nice shake. And strain it into a rocks glass over ice. And then last but not least, a big mint bouquet. Give it the old slappy poo, crushy pants it. Let's taste it. The pineapple, the lime, balanced out with a little simple syrup. You're getting a lot of those nice savory and almost tropical notes of the cachaça. And then of course you've got a little back note of the Fernet-Branca, which is really nice because you would think the Fernet-Branca would really overtake this cocktail, and it really doesn't. It's just so, chef's kiss. There it is, the Pencil Thin Mustache.